Welcome back. I will go through and show you guys how to do a Google form. It's going to be a real quick Google form, just a couple questions, but I'll show you guys some things with that. So on your Google Drive, you want to just go to a new, and then down here it gives you these options. We want to go to more, Google form. Should open up a nice brand new Google form for you. You can write in your topic up here in the title form. Let's think of a title real fast. Let's just say technology. And then when you click up here, it changes the title to match that. And now when you come down here to your first question, there is a lot of different options. The two things that we're really going to use are multiple choice. You'll want to use multiple choice if you're talking about a question that gives choices. So something like, are you left or right-handed? What type of animals do you have for pets? You don't want to give multiple choice of dogs, cats, birds, or others. You don't want people just to be able to write in free form, otherwise it'd be hard to organize. The other one would be a short answer, and this would be something for numbers. And so we don't want to give people options. We don't want to ask them how tall they are and then they have to choose a certain height. We want them to be able to type in a certain height. And so we can do some different ones. So I will do multiple choice, and I will say, what type of phone do you use? And so I'm just going to go through and say an iPhone, Samsung, a Pixel, a Motorola. I'm running out of options quick. And then down here, what we can do is you can actually add other. And so it gives that final place for someone to actually type in what they want to say. We can make it required. And then once you have that, I am asking you guys to do 2 questions. And so you can just hit this add question button. And then I'm going to go ahead and do a short answer to show you guys some stuff with that. And I'm going to say, how many minutes does it take to get a full charge on your phone? And so they can type in stuff here. Notice a couple things that I said. I said minutes, not hours. You want to make sure that you specify that so it's not, they don't write 1 thinking that you're talking about hours. But now what we can do is I don't want them to be able to type in words or anything. I just want specific things. And so I want numbers. And so I'm going to come over here to the stoplight and hit response validation. And this allows me to make sure that they're putting in the right thing. So you can do numbers, certain text, a certain length. So I'm going to say I want a certain number. And I just want that number to be between 0 and, I have no idea how long, 60 minutes for a full charge. And then I might say, please, for an air text, please enter in the number of minutes only. So now what we can do is if I go and preview this, it has what type of phone do you use, so I can select any one of these, or I can say I still use a flip phone. And how many minutes? If I try to say I use my phone and I try to get out there, it says please enter in the number of minutes only. And so I'll say, well, it usually takes about 50 minutes to get a full charge. Then I could submit that. We could, just to show you guys something, I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to do it again, submit. So now, if you guys look up here, I actually have 2 responses. And so I can go click on the responses. And in here in the form, these are actually the charts that I don't want you to use, remember? No Google chosen charts. But if I come over here and select this create spreadsheet, it actually allows me to go to a spreadsheet where it shows all of my data, and I can highlight them and I can work with them with whatever you find on the internet. So then the final thing is once you have your form, you can say that I want to send my form, and I'm going to go ahead and choose the link, and I'm going to do the shortened form. I'm going to copy that link. Then we'll go over to our Google Classroom. And on my Google Classroom, we can make sure that I'm on the right one. You can just go to this front stream, share with your class, and say, please complete my link, my survey, my survey, and you can add a link and paste that link in, and then it gives them that Google form. And once you post, it'll go to all the students in there, and they'll hopefully do it. So good luck, try your best, and I'm excited to see what you guys come up with.